Falling through the window pane, golden light dancing on your face. The world keeps rushing, but we're not in that race. We've got nowhere to be today. The radio is playing soft and low, your hand resting easy in mine. The clock keeps ticking, but we let it go. We're just enjoying the ride. Let's take it slow tonight. Leave all our worries behind. Just you and me beneath these stars. No need to hurry through life. Let's take it slow tonight. Let the music fill the sky. Hold me close and stay a while. Everything feels right tonight. Seen hard days and winding roads, dreams that slip right through my hands. But every step somehow brought me here, to a love that understands. The city lights are shining far away, but they don't beside me. What else could I be looking for? Let's take it slow tonight. Leave all our worries behind. Just you and me beneath these stars. No need to hurry through life. Let's take it slow tonight. Let the music fill the sky. Hold me close and stay a while. Everything feels right tonight. Tomorrow can wait till the morning comes. Tonight belongs to us alone. Just you and me beneath these stars. Oh, no need to hurry through life. Let's take it slow tonight. Let the music fill the sky. Hold me close and stay a while. Everything feels right tonight.